Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you how you can add a flyer to an email campaign that you can send out to your database through command. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to head into designs. And what I want to do is I want to grab the flyer. So here we have an open house flyer. If we click into that, you'll see it. I haven't fully updated this. This is just an example. So open house, we have our details. We're going to download this, okay? So we want to download this as either a PNG or a JPEG. That will allow us to pull that into our email campaign. Now, typically, when you're using print marketing, you'd want to use one of these PDF options. However, again, since we're adding this to an email campaign, we're going to need it in either a PNG or a JPEG, since PDF is not currently compatible. So make sure you download that to your computer in one of these two formats, okay? So we're going to leave it as PNG, and we're going to hit download. Once that's downloaded to my computer, I'm going to hit done. And then we're going to go ahead and hit create design once more. We want to add this to an email design. So we're going to go ahead and hit email. We're going to hit next, and I'm going to hit create new design, okay? From there, we're going to go ahead and add an image to our email design. Then you can see that I've already uploaded this one. Typically, you would need to go ahead and upload that first. So to do that, you're going to hit add images. And you're going to find that new download and drag it in, or hit browse files and pull that in from your computer, okay? Once that flyer is added here, you can click on it and hit save. And then you have your flyer added. Now, of course, as always, you can, of course, add your email header. You can add your email footer. Maybe you have a video of the property you'd like to add, whatever else. Maybe you want to include a market snap for that area. You can certainly plug that in. But once this email is created, we're going to go ahead and do a title. And we're going to save and close, okay? And now, of course, I can go straight into my campaigns. I can create new, hit email. Let's do flyer tip video. We're going to do event awareness. Since this was for an open house, make sure you select whatever goal fits what you're sending out. And then, of course, pull in whatever email list you've already created. You'll see your sender name and reply to. And then you're going to just hit that add design, find your new email. You can preview that, make sure everything is working, and then hit select. And then from there, you can, of course, schedule this, send now. I'm going to go ahead and save the draft, though. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we're here and happy to help. Have a wonderful day.